Hi, please join us in conversation to learn more about triOS College.
Well, it's just fantastic to be here at triOS College, talking to people that are really making a difference. These are the type of colleges that make people ready for the workforce, and they make a difference to Canada. What a great time it is to be here. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us the program you're in?
I'm Rozhin Sagharikhodaparast. I'm so happy to be here. I'm a student in the Computer Systems Technician Networking program.
Tell me about, go ahead, including what?
Including an 8-month co-op.
Okay. Tell me about the program. Well, what's your favorite part of the program so far?
My favorite part, which actually made me choose this program, is I get to learn about the foundations of all the topics, from programming to mathematics, and then the more technical and professional topics like server administration, web server, Microsoft server, networking, all that things.
Tell me, when you were choosing this field of study, what about triOS stood out? Why did you look towards them?
Well, I know that triOS has a really good reputation in technology-related programs. Aside from the business and healthcare, I know that technology is one of the good things.
Right.
And then their partnership with Mohawk College, that made it also stand out to me. I know they have like high standards and everything, and also like it provides me with a broader academic community. And
the other thing I want to kind of ask you about is, when you first interacted with triOS, you were kind of trying to figure out what program you want to do. Tell me about that experience. How easy was it to deal with them right at the very beginning?
To choose the program, you mean?
Yeah.
Well, they had like a few good computer-related programs.
Right.
It was partly like personal decision based on my goals in the future and how what I wanna focus in. But like they had really good, like you could see the results of their grads, what fields you will be able to work in afterwards. So by looking at those, I was like, this is going to be a good choice for me.
You mentioned at the beginning that there's a co-op aspect to the program. Talk to me about that, the importance of that practical experience built into the program.
Yeah, so we have a 8-month co-op. It's now, at first I wasn't sure if I was going to do the co-op or not, but now I'm saying that was like one of the best things ever, because especially if you don't have job experience, this prepares you to enter the actual real market and the working place. Also, like you get to build really good connections and networks, and everything that you learn in class comes to use, like practical in the work experience. And I'm actually doing my co-op here at triOS as well, in the IT department.
So you're actually in the college doing your co-op.
Yes.
Talk to me about the experience so far at triOS as a co-op student.
Oh, it's great. We have like a big team across a lot of provinces in the eastern coast and here, everything. So now I get to work with all the triOS members, everyone, and it's been really good. Like I've actually started using my knowledge, which makes it like even better for me to learn and everything. It's been perfect.
What would you tell somebody who's out there right now thinking about going back to college or starting college? What would you tell them about triOS?
I would say don't doubt. It's like a great option for you. Well, I'm in the tech industry, so I would say it's a great option, especially with the co-ops and the resources and the partnerships they provide with other companies. Like everything's provided from their side. It just depends on if you're wise enough and like work hard to use those resources.
An absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit trios.com.